Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings. alishanmao here. Welcome outdoors. And today in this video, you're gonna watch me fly M2 Evo from Omphobby on RadioMaster TX16S. Now you have watched my video as you have requested. I posted a complete detailed video on how to set up all these direct drive 3D RC helicopters with RadioMaster TX16S. So go ahead, watch that video, and you can easily learn to set up these helicopters with your RadioMaster TX16S or other OpenTx radio controllers, including the Edge TX. Well, for all the lazy people out there who just want to download the OTX file of my radio controller, RadioMaster TX16S, import it to your RadioMaster TX16S using the OpenTx companion, and then bind and enjoy to fly M2 Evo with my optimum settings for this helicopter. There's a link in video description. Go ahead, check it out, and show some love and download that OTX file. Enjoy my optimum settings. All right, so let's fly the M2 Evo with RadioMaster TX16S and see how it behaves. Okay, so here's the flight of M2 Evo, dual brushless motor direct drive 3D RC helicopter with RadioMaster TX16S. I forgot to brought my chest cam mount, so unfortunately you won't be able to watch my stick cam. Next time inshallah we'll do it, but you can see I am going to fly this helicopter with RadioMaster TX16S. So let's test and see how my settings are going to work.
You turn me on.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I want to stand comfortably without anything bothering me so I can focus on flying. So this is 6G mode. I had to increase some of the pitches in the midpoint in order to get it to behave nicely. And let's see when switching to 3D if it will jump or not.
3D aerobatic.
No, it doesn't jump. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here we go. I'm not gonna do too much because once again I'm not used to the stick response and behavior on RadioMaster TX16S, so you know, switching radios, transition from radios to radios, you have to give yourself time to adjust. Let's see higher head speed.
Oh yeah. Minute.
I'll keep lower head speed to save the battery, because on this speed it's doing very well. Oh, ants found me, sorry. Ants found me. I have to focus and move away a little bit, sorry, hold on. So we broke there our routines.
1 minute.
So there you are, people. This is M2 Evo flying 3D with RadioMaster TX16S.
Timer 1 elapsed. Flight mode normal.
All right, let's land it. Let's land it because timer 1 has elapsed and I don't want to tease the helicopter battery too much. It's a hot day today and helicopter battery might swell up. I mean, LiPo batteries normally tend to swell up. So let's land it. There you are, people. This is the M2 Evo flown with RadioMaster TX16S. Go ahead and watch my previous video where I have shown you how to set up all these direct drive 3D RC helicopters with RadioMaster TX16S, and you can easily set up your helicopter with that and then take it from there and tweak the settings to find those optimal settings. In case you are feeling lazy or you want to use my optimal settings for these helicopters that you have watched this in action just now, I have uploaded an OTX file. There's a link in video description. Go ahead, check it out, and you can download that OTX file and import it in your RadioMaster TX16S without having to do anything and use my optimal settings. Not just use it, but use and enjoy my optimal settings of M2 Evo on RadioMaster TX16S. Just show some love and you can download that file. Otherwise, I highly suggest that you learn to program these because that will be an essential skill. Stay tuned. Now, I'm gonna fly M2 with RadioMaster TX16S. Or better, let's fly the KDS Innova 550. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right.